Painting on a cheapo canvas? We've all done it. I have a simple, inexpensive solution to help you improve the quality of your painting service on a budget. Hi everybody, this is Brian from Art Parley Lemon. You know, the biggest piece of advice that is repeatedly ignored by our students is to paint on the best quality surface that you can afford. Instead, they bring in those cheapo canvases they got on the Blue Light Special that are so rough that it's like painting on sandpaper. Your painting service is just as important as your paint. If your pockets aren't overflowing with cash, here's how you upgrade what you have.
Purchase a quality gesso. I have recommendations for you in the description below this video. Buy some fine grit sandpaper. Use the sandpaper to sand down that crummy canvas. Apply a good coat of gesso. Be sure to thin that gesso down with water to ensure it reaches all the nooks and crannies that the manufacturer missed. And dry that first coat. Sand it lightly, then repeat a couple of more times, sanding in between coats, and then do a light sanding to finish off your canvas.
I guarantee your canvas will be tons better than the original. If you found this video helpful, why don't you go ahead and hit that lower left-hand video on your screen right there, and I'll teach you how to paint some Bob Ross style mountains with that freshly upgraded canvas you've got. Right there.